Here goes to the first YouTube video. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Oh. We forgot our boilies, so our good friend Andy sorted us right out. Cheers, Andy. Stopped at the side of the road because the van headlight is out. Checking the fuses. Oh yeah.
Get the bag behind me.
It's a good effort.
Good effort, isn't it? I've done it before.
We forgot kindling. It's definitely hitting the floor, isn't it?
Oh, it definitely is.
Sweet start to our YouTube video. Yeah, boy. Kindling.
Kindling.
He's splitting it down. Oh, bang on. You're enjoying every second of this, aren't you?
It's a fun one, mate. It's different.
Yeah, boy.
Ready? You had to choose the wonkiest one, didn't you?
Well, yeah. I'm going to make it easy. There we go. I'll do us to get us going, won't it?
One more for luck.
Yeah, one more for luck. Stand up, stand him up, boy.
This one's for the fatty.
Bush. Let's go, kindling done. Right, a lot later than expected, but here we go. We're going to set up the tent. I don't know how much you're going to be able to see of this.
Up now?
Yeah. Right, as it's dark, you ain't going to be able to see much, but we're all set up. Teepee's set up, beds are set up. Yeah, it's just too dark to see anything. So we're going to get our rods in, get our alarms on, and see what's happening. Let's go. Right, don't know how much you can see. Beds are set up, ready to go. You can't actually see anything. Rods are in the water. Get this fire lit. Get the fire lit. Get dinner on. Top job.
Be a good night.
It's gonna be a good night. Fire's lit. So cooking in a tent. Bear with us. This is late. It's the first time. We're giving it a go. Right. So we got. Let me get the light on that. So we got onion, coriander, and some red peppers. And we're gonna fry them up with some mince. Pan's warming up. Good to go. We'll call back in when we've done a little bit more. Right, got the mince in, mince and onion. Gonna give that a cook for a little bit. Get some colour in there. Smells good already though. It's only mince and onion and it bloody smells good. Bloody hungry, that's why. Right, so we're going to add some seasonings. We've got paprika. Just do it by eye. You don't need to know measurements. Get loads of that paprika in. More than that. Oh, that's all the paprika. Some cumin, a little bit of that. Some turmeric. I actually got this from another YouTuber. Not gonna lie. Give that a little mix in.
Smells good.
Smells very lovely. Right, we're gonna add the peppers. Like that. That's right, it's still on still. So cooking down for another 10 minutes maybe.
Nice.
Right, so I prepped the sauce. Sorry it's so dark. Let us know in the comments if you know what sauce we're making. That's the ingredients. Let us know in the comments.
Oh, it records straight away?
Yeah. Right, our meat's cooked. So we're gonna stuff our pitters. Be nice with a bit of cheese, but I wasn't prepared. So there's one. Get a bit of done. Now we gotta fill the rest of them up.
Colour is nice.
Put some colour in there. Stuff in the pears.
You happy with that for a minute, or do you want to do more?
No, not good. I know it looks tacky. Like, I know it looks tacky because we haven't got everything we want yet, but there's a sauce. We're frying the pitters that are now stuffed. Gonna fry them off for a minute so it goes nice and crispy. We'll let you know. There we have it. Camping meal done. On the stove, in the tent, down the fishing lakes. Let's go. Let's get the next ones on. Let's get them cooking. Just eating, stuffed. Now hopefully we get a fish. That's all we could do. Sit and wait. Sit and wait.
Here, mate.
So I just laid down, tucking into this gorgeous crispy cake that my friend made me. Absolutely delicious. 10 out of 10. Oh, I don't know if you can quite see it. You can't see it, but I'm waiting for the rods to go. Actually, I'll get a light over there. I'll get a light over there. There we go. Nothing as of yet.
Light?
Yeah. Right, time for a brew.
Yeah, buddy. I was in the middle of everyone's stopping him.
white hot chocolate. So I don't know if you can see, but we're on, fish on. We'll let you know what the results are. Put the camera ready to land them and put them on the landing mat.
Baby.
Go.
Maybe not record this bit.
And away he goes.
They want to get out the line.
See you later, pal. And we're in again. Fish number 2. Let you know when we landed it. Another one. Not going to hold it because it's bloody freezing.
She's a beauty. Lovely.
Right. Morning, YouTube. Fire's burning away. It's mental in here. It's windy. Coffee's done. That's what we woke up to. Rain, misery, wind. The lake looks like an ocean. We're gonna pack up, get the fuck out of here. Oops. Packed up, ready to go. Long night, windy night, but warm night. Take it easy, to the next one.